I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to disable biometric login on Uber Eats, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Find Security Settings. Scroll down to find the Security section within the account settings. This is where you can manage your login preferences. Step 4. Disable biometric login. In the security settings, look for the option labeled Biometric Login. Toggle this option off to disable it. Just a heads up, if you don't see this option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Step 5. Confirm changes. After toggling off the biometric login, you may be prompted to confirm your changes. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the process. Now you're all set. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy ordering!